Alright, hi everybody. This is my video tutorial for how to use a application called Peardeak. It is pretty similar to Kahoot, and students can answer questions on their Chromebooks or even their phones. And so this is what it looks like from the teacher's perspective. We have our first slide here with our question right here, and then the students will give a free response of a paragraph text. Our next question is right here, and as you can see, these are multiple choice questions, and so they'll show up on the student's end just like a multiple choice quiz where they can add one. So we're going to go ahead and add a slide really quickly just to show you guys how to do it. Alright, and we'll go ahead and input the question here. And then we're going to change the student response to free response text so they can just type it in. And then I will also show you how it looks when you start presenting from the teacher's perspective. And so let's get that started. Alright, and we want to make sure that it is projecting on the projector, so we'll just click OK. So students will enter this code here on either their smartphones or their Chromebooks, and then it will show you when a student has joined. I've just joined on my phone, so I can kind of show you what it looks like. And so students can answer whatever they would like here, and then once the time, maybe a minute or so has passed, you can go ahead and lock the slides so they can no longer answer these questions, and then we would move on to the next question. And then the students will get notified that the slides have been locked. And so the next question is the one that was a multiple choice, so the student should see different multiple choice answers, and they can go ahead and click it. And then we would lock the screen again, and then we can see the answers. So we can see that one student answered answer C. And then we'll move on to the next question again. And alright, sorry. The next question is a similar where they can just input whatever in a paragraph text, and then once the teacher moves on from the next question, the device that the student is using will close out so they can no longer answer that. And then at the end you do have the option to end the session and then save it, so you can use it for different grading purposes. You can always go back and see how the students did. And so we can go ahead and end it, and then that is my presentation for how to use Peardeak.